Hello small mobile fans, happy day to you. I really appreciate your support and time for this channel. Thanks for subscribing. It looks like the Infinix mobile brand is set to launch the S5 smartphone this month, based on the leaks and rumors online. The Infinix S4 was indeed a premium looking smartphone with good specifications at a valuable price, and I hope the Infinix S5 will even be much better because the competition is getting hotter every month. This leaked image here presents us with some of the official specifications of the Infinix S5. Firstly, the notch has been updated to a punch hole, which looks classy, but it will still have the standard HD plus 720p resolution with screen density of 320 dpi. Android 9 Pie. I guess Android 10 will come next year in the S6. Unfortunately, the RAM size has been reduced to 4GB RAM, which I believe is to give more room for upgrading other features like battery, camera, and so on. I guess this is also the reason why the processor is still the same MediaTek Helio P22 octa-core chipset. These are all the official specifications we have so far, but the unofficial specifications include the same 32MP selfie camera, a bigger 5000 mAh battery just like the Infinix Hot 8. Rumor also has it that the Infinix S5 will have 4 cameras, a 13MP main sensor, 8MP wide angle, 5MP depth sensor, and 2MP macro lens. Some other rumors are saying that it will have a 48MP main sensor, but only time will tell. Here is a dummy or prototype or clone of the Infinix S5 showing the punch hole and the quad cameras. Let me know what you think about this design and color. Also, let me know what you think about the official and rumored specifications. Is it a worthy upgrade or are you expecting more? Here are all the specifications at a glance with the official specifications in red color. In my opinion, I love the 5000 mAh battery upgrade, the punch hole notch, and the additional camera lens. I can manage the 4GB RAM. Please remember to take all this information with a pinch of salt as the official release version might be different. Thanks for watching. Talk to you in my next video. Kindly subscribe for more. Remain humble. Bye.